You have no idea how to arrange your new track? Today I will show you a small tip how you can arrange your track out of the sketch of another track. Let's have a look. I imported one of my finalized tracks because I like the arrangement. Then I created a new MIDI track. Inside the MIDI track I made some new MIDI regions and I colored them and named them when I listened to the parts. For sure you can also use markers here on top, but this is more easy and more visible. You can do this in any DAW like Cubase, Logic, whatever you prefer. So let's have a look. This is the intro part. So I draw a MIDI called intro. Then on this point the bass line starts. Here the first micro break appears. Then I arranged the build-up part and the clap came in. Another micro break, another build-up, here's the main break. Then I start with the reduced synths part. Then I go to the micro break again, create another build-up, make a small break, go back to the reduced part, a small build-up again, another micro break, and at the very end we go to the DJ mix part with less synths and an outro. This channel I can save as a new channel and I can open it in any of my tracks that I'm doing next. So if I have no clue how to arrange my track, I can orientate on this sketch. This is just one possibility how to get out of the loop and start arranging your track. There are many ways that lead to the goal. So try it yourself.